Hey, nieces and nephews, I got a surprise video for you. A food pantry haul from the church.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. This is a church, it's local, and every once in a month, they give a big box of food away. They just pack it up for you. You come in and they ask you what you would like and they get it to you. So let me show you what you get from the church and let's see if there's a big difference, which there kind of is. We are starting from the left to the right. We've got some wonderful canned goods, some black beans. They all give out these black beans, I see. I don't know. I don't even see them in the stores. I don't know where they get them from. If anybody sees these in the stores, let me know. But they gave me 2 cans of these, 4 cans, thank you Jesus, of the cut green beans, 2 cans of low sodium tomato sauce, which they will love, 4 cans of that delicious tuna. Hey, if you got a cat, take advantage. 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. I personally don't use the packet inside. However, I make my own cheese sauce. You've got my video. I will take put a link down below so you can see that. Check this out. We got some jambalaya mix. I think it has the instructions on the back. Yes, it sure does. Yep. That's different. We've got a bag of white rice. That's cool. Some spaghetti noodles to go with the spaghetti sauce. That's excellent. Then we've got some corn flakes, some Rice Krispies, 2 bags of oatmeal, 2 tortilla chips, tortilla packs. These are the corn tortillas, and these are great. You can make anything from the tacos to enchiladas if you want, some type of taco baked taco pizzas, all kind of things with these. Your chips, just, I showed you how to do it. I'll show you the videos I got down below. Look at this. Now let's jump over here. We have mega produce. Let's start with the shredded carrots, all ready for a salad, or you can still put them in a soup. Then we've got some nectarines. These are really good, and they're ready to be put in the window so they can ripen. These are wonderful. 2 large onions. Look at that. Put these in the crock pot with your beans. That's right. We've got 3 nice sweet potatoes. A big, large one. My goodness. Can you imagine baking this at least 20 minutes? But yeah, I would chop him up and make him into yams. Oh yeah. Sweet potato yams. Candied yams, excuse me. Look at that. These are nice. Then we got a bag of apples. My vocal is bad tonight because of the weather. Then we got some dried cherries. They're going to enjoy these. We got a carton of eggs for them. Lovely. Then back here we've got some milk, a whole gallon. Then we've got some frozen blueberries. Now you can make blueberry smoothies, blueberry pies, blueberry muffins. You can juice these if you want to, or make you some blueberry jam. That would be good. I've got some Alaskan fish nuggets. Alaskan pollock fish nuggets here. Oh, that's nice. These are nice heated up. You can put them in the fryer or the air fryer or your toaster oven. Then look at this, you all. We've got some Cornish hens. These are delicious in the oven or on the grill. I've put them on the grill before and they come out lovely. Then we have some split chicken breast. Wow, look at that. Look at that. You could make soup with that. So with the chicken breast, we got some carrots and just a few other items that you may already have. You can make a chicken soup. Oh, yes. Look at the blessings that this person is going to get. Oh, did I mention I'm doing this for someone else? Yeah. Lovely. Yes, this is when I actually turned my house into a food pantry because, well, my kitchen, because they're going to come by and pick up their food, which is wonderful. They can pick anything they want. They can take it all. But that's why I do this. I want people to have food. I want people to enjoy life and have fun because it's your life, okay? You shouldn't be hungry. You shouldn't have to sit there and wonder where your next meal is coming from. And trust me, I've been there. I've done that. I've done that. And it wasn't fun. It wasn't fun. I discovered the food pantries and the rest is history. All right? I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef, at gmail.com. Let me know your recipes. Let me know if you need recipes. Let me know if you need food and you're in the Chicagoland area or close by Indiana. Okay? Like this video. Comment on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Help support us. It's a good thing. And we're going to have some fun. I got some crazy recipes coming, you all. Oh, crazy recipes. But they're going to be fun. They're going to work. Okay? We got the Puerto Rican rice coming. Or did we do it already? We'll see. When is this video coming out? I don't know. Okay. I know. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Till next time.